Find the value of definite integrals from 0 to 1 of the function 1 over x plus 1 with respect to x. So for this question, our n is equals to a negative 1, because if we raise up the power here, it's going to be x plus 1 to the power of negative 1. So if we integrate 1 over ax plus b, then we're going to get ln ax plus b over with a plus with c. But since we have a definite integral, we don't have to plus with the c. So integrate 1 over x plus 1, we're going to get ln x plus 1. Let us substitute the upper limit and lower limits. Start with the upper limit first. So ln, substitute 1 into the function, we're going to get ln 2. So we have a modulus here, so modulus 2 is 2. Substitute 0, then we're going to get ln 1. So we know that ln 1 is 0. So find the value in your calculator. We're going to get 0.6931. Correct to 4 decimal places. And if you like to write down your answer in 3 significant figure, you may write down as 0.693. That's it.